I am back at Target with an amazing household items deal. I know I've been slacking on the Target couponing, but I promise I'm gonna make it up to you today. We are gonna get $70 worth of laundry products for just $20 for 70% off, so let me show you how. We will be utilizing this deal, the buy two, get a $5 gift card. First thing I'm gonna pick up is one of these Downy Calm 200 count dryer sheets for $9.29. Next thing I'm gonna grab is one of these Downy Calm liquid fabric softeners for $9.99. I'm also gonna grab one of these Gain dryer sheets, 240 count for $9.99. I'm also gonna be grabbing a 92 ounce Tide for $12.99. Next I'm grabbing one of these Downy rinse and refreshes, the 48 ounce for $12.99. I'm also gonna grab one of these 113 ounce Gains for $12.99. I'm also gonna be grabbing one of these Dawn dish liquids for $1.29. I know I said laundry products, but it'll make sense in a moment. Your cart will look a little something like this, but before you go to checkout, I need you to go into your Target Circle app and clip all of these coupons. $3 off the Downy, $3 off the Gain dryer sheets, $3 off the Downy dryer sheets, $3 off the Tide liquid, $3 off the Gain liquid, and $3 off the Downy fabric softener. Your subtotal for all of these items will be $69.53, but after you enter your phone number at checkout and the coupons apply, you'll be left to pay $50.53. Because we did the deal, buy two, get a $5 gift card 3 times, we're gonna get a $15 Target gift card back, and we're gonna submit to the P&G Everyday website for a rebate. When you spend $50, you're gonna get a $15 gift card back, which means that we will be paying $50.53, but we will get $30 back, making our final cost $20.53 plus tax for all of these items. That's over a 70% savings. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more amazing couponing deals.